Five, six, seven, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, we follow. 5, 6, 7. Make sure we're to the left side of the slot. So now I'm going to give her another cross body. Bring her 2 steps forward. 1, 2, left arm goes over the head. We wrap her up. 3, step back on 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to be giving her 1.5 right. I'm going to prep her in on 1. 1. The right hand's going to be unwinding, staying down. Left arm going over the head as guys do a reverse right. So we're hooking on 2. You're going to let go of the right hand. Keep turning with the left. 3. Catch it to the other side and back charge. 5, 6, 7. So now on 1, I need to get to the other side of her, unwinding the right hand. So I'm going to keep the left hand low to bring the right hand out. 1. So now on 2, I'm going to bring the hand over my head to the left to make her check to the side. 2. So now we're going to be going over the head quick on 3. We're going to go back to back on 4. I'm going to step forward on 5, finish it on 6, 7. So now I'm going to be giving her a misdirected right turn. I'm going to be prepping her in on 1. Both hands are going to be going over the head as we go equal and opposite on 2. So now on 3, as we step forward, I'm going to bring the left hand to my right shoulder. 3, right hand's coming up. So now I'm going to be keeping the hand to the shoulder, bring the right hand over the head. 5, as I finish the basic on 6, 7, my left hand goes from my head to her head. 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to open up the slot. The right elbow stays up as I drape her on 1. And bring her forward on 2. It's going to go back up and over to turn on 3. I'm following with her, pushing through the frame. I make her go forward 5. I make her go forward 6. I'm going to step in place on 7 as I turn her on 7. 7. So that means on 1, we're going to be breaking away from each other. 1, make sure we're to the left side. Bring her forward on 2. Inside turn on 3. Follow her on 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a cross body leap over here again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Turn on 2. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do half a turn to the left to get across. 1. Check to the left on 2. Turn over on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward and do a right turn. So forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That one walk through 1.5 left. Forward on 1, forward on 2, turn on 3, 5. We're going to be misdirected forward here on 6. And he's going to start pulling, so we're going to turn to the right on 7. Now we're going to pump up on 1, 1, forward 2, turn on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.